shitty thing besides the, what do you call it, tool holder that's shit about this lathe is this thing. I mean, it's cool. You have this on and off cover right here where it's a safety cover. The problem is that these two stupid suckers, one ripped right out and one's I think just a peanut screw, and they ain't worth the salt they were made with. So this one's stripped and this one is kind of, so what I'm thinking is I might drill this out and tack weld a bolt here and a bolt here and just put a regular bolt in there, and then figure out, I don't know, maybe I'll put some bluing on here and try to figure out exactly where that, see, because this is in the on position. I don't know, I'll leave it like this and put a line there somehow and then bolt it on, but it also has to be put on there so it doesn't come flying off, so because it has to go up and down. So if I put it like that, kind of like a safety fender, so the lathe is off when it's lifted, so I gotta like basically draw a line here and then goes up and down. It's a pretty stupid design. I mean, you got shitty ass screws in here which don't even work anymore, so I'm gonna try to get all that straightened out. Yeah, I think the peanut screw is stripped in here and this stupid thing is on here like this, and I don't know. So anyway, that's my plan. Oh, and one other thing that doesn't work anymore, I don't know where the handle went, but if you look down here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if you can see this. Can you see this right here? Well, anyway, if you can see that, that thing is the handle to crank this down. Well, sorry it's so far in the bottom, but the plastic handle broke off, and all I'm left is with, actually it didn't break off. The handle had plastic threads in here, and all the plastic threads ripped out. So now, if you want to tighten this thing down, you gotta go like this and grab a BFR, big freaking wrench, and crank it down. So what am I gonna do? Probably find me a nice handle and just weld it on there. I don't know. I don't even know where the plastic handle went, but it's gone somewhere. It said goodbye. So let me turn this back up here so you can see possibly me. So those are a few minor problems with my bouncy camera. There we go, stop bouncing. Those are a few problems with my lathe I'm gonna fix. But for now, the on-off, it's a fancy hand switch, big bar here. Basically, I can rip my arm off. And people I know don't leave this in there. It's one of the first things I normally, if I do, I forgot it in the truck, but I don't turn it on. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like my channel, and I'm gonna keep making stuff. Thanks for watching. Let's turn this thing off. Ta-da!